Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media for learning. Many platforms offer incredible opportunities to expand your knowledge and connect with experts. We'll explore how to transform your feeds into powerful learning tools. By strategically curating your content and engaging thoughtfully, you can unlock a wealth of information and foster continuous personal growth. It's about making your online time truly productive. To effectively learn, begin by curating your social media feed. Seek out and follow experts, educational organizations, and academic institutions that consistently share valuable insights. Joining specialized groups or communities can also provide a focused environment for discussion and resource sharing. Think of your feed as a personalized library filled with content tailored to your learning journey. Active engagement is key to deeper learning. Don't just consume content, contribute to the conversation. Ask clarifying questions, share your perspectives, and offer helpful resources to others. Many platforms facilitate collaborative learning through direct messaging or dedicated group features. This interaction reinforces your understanding and exposes you to diverse viewpoints, enriching your educational experience significantly. To maximize learning, manage your time and maintain focus. Dedicate specific, short periods, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes, solely to educational content. Turn off non-essential notifications to avoid distractions. Periodically review your followed accounts, unfollowing those that no longer serve your learning objectives. This disciplined approach ensures social media remains a powerful educational asset, not a time sink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.